I dey talk am say between Yul and Judy Austin, I no even know who use each other. E go be like say I wan dey support Yul or I wan dey support Judy. Una check and balance am now. Like who actually use each other between Yul and Judy? Because me sometimes I'm confused o. I'm confused. Na im make am Judy still dey with Yul Edochie till today because of her mumu. Her level of mumurity too much. Yes, na only she go fit take Yul Edochie nonsense when e dey do. Na only she, Yul Edochie, go fit deceive. Una see how e bin wan take deceive Queen May Edochie now? Force am, carry am enter polygamy as if say polygamy na force. But because Queen May Edochie na woman wey e be say she know her worth and value, Queen May no give her that space. When I see small nyash dey shake o. If you watch my previous video, I talk am, I say Judy still dey cry over Ajah mansion wey court don already give their final say, their final judgement. Dem don already give Queen May Edochie the full right, full custody of Ajah mansion for 2024, abi? Since 2024, we dey 2026 now. Judy still dey cry over mansion. Say not under her watch, over her dead body, will Queen May Edochie take what does not belong to her alone. That her own money, she financed the building of that mansion. So therefore, she must have her share, direct or indirectly. No be lie o. Mona come hear wetin dey say Judy Austin tell her friend wey don expose for social media. Say Judy Austin say she get, like she hold that certificate for hand. She is in possession of the certificate of occupancy. The land wey Queen May Edochie buy many years ago for Ajah, where she build that mansion put. They say Judy Austin say she get the original certificate. Mumu. How they sing that song? Nwamo waduna junaya akuku nene dunaya yinike mewe. God, that soundtrack. How I wish I sabi sing am for play am for Judy. Person dey mumu like this. At your age, you still mumu like this. Emu. So Judy say Yul Edochie promise her to believe Yul Edochie promise. Yul can't give her the deed. How do they call am? This is to certify that so and so person bought a land. Is the rightful owner. Certificate of occupancy. Deed of assignment, C of O. Una know the document when they come along now, like when they come if you buy land. So for you to be sure that yes, that land na your own, they will give you the certificate to the land, the papers, the papers say yes, you don't acquire this land. Now you are the rightful owner. They say Judy come dey brag o. Judy come dey tell her friend say she get the original. You get original papers, you get the original documents, you get the original certificate. Now they judge case for your back. I don't know wetin Yul Edochie see or wetin he do wey make am go forge fake document give Judy Austin. I don't know which promise Yul Edochie give Judy Austin wey reach to that extent of even forging fake land documents to Judy or for Judy. Whether na for Judy to know say yes Yul go marry am or make she for believe say she go enter the mansion after completion, like after they don complete am. After they don build and finish, say maybe yes, I go marry you. E just be like something to take show say okay, I guarantee you, no worry. hold these papers, make you take sure say you are a member of that house. I no know how Yul wetin lead to am. Abi na money wey Judy really say she dey give Yul Edochie that time. Na im make am Yul come go forge papers. Like Judy was so dumb that she didn't even know that it was fake. Judy no go verify. I no even know wetin make Judy even feel say, oh, because she have, let's even assume, because she have the original papers, land papers to Queen May Ajah mansion, meaning the court cannot do what they want to do. Wait, Judy, no be your present 2 years ago, court, the judge made their final judgment. No be your present, the court, judge for court, give Queen May Edochie the full custody of that mansion. Why you can't dey cry for 2026? Now you won't come know say Yul Edochie play you. Now you can't know say Yul Edochie deceive you. Now you can't know say no be by yeye papers when you give you. Say he use a guarantee, say no worry, you go enter the house. Judy, why? Sometimes I could just dey hear all these updates of Judy. I go even dey reason how one can't talk am. Because the thing sound like lie. It sound like, I don't know, even person wey no go school, illiterate, no go even fit dey do wetin Judy dey do. Person, Yul Edochie carry paper give you. You no open am make you even look name wey dey. Queen May Edochie, according to wetin we hear, her sister for America, Blessing, na even support May when she take buy that land. Yul was not even aware when Queen May acquired that particular land that they build that mansion on. Na Queen May Edochie name, only her name. No be say they go attach Yul Edochie later, only her name. Now they say it did that certificate of occupancy, that land document. When Queen May Edochie take buy land, only Queen May Edochie name, because her money not complete then. She reached out to her sister that lives in America. According to what we heard, Yul wey no buy land, when a name not even attached to Queen May Edochie name for the document, carry paper give you, say may you hold her. Say because you go marry you put for the house. Judy, that's why you no fit leave Queen May Edochie, because your long throat towards that house, towards that woman. Now only God now fight Queen May Edochie battle. Imagine the woman they struggle day and night. They find how she go take finish her house, make her children, make them enter, start life. She no want to stay for rented apartment again. You, for your mind, now for your mind before, you thought you have our original land document. See how God take punish you. You know, see how God take punish you now. Now you are crying. Now you say you won't go court. Go court, go do waiting. Go counter waiting, judge don't already conclude. Abi you won't expose Yul Edochie for social media. Make you dey talk wetin you won't do. Tell us your next move so that we go help you strategize and where we go even still give you advice, because you need advice. You don't really get people for your circle. Now I see am. When Sarah Martins dey your circle that time, when she be your friend, now you dey even dey both do anything. Now nobody is associated close to you again, because you no get sense. Sorry to use that word. Now you can't dey say Yul deceived you. You go still carry the papers go court. Court for where? Which land papers Yul Edochie give you, Judy Austin? Say he promise you marriage. Wetin you do for Yul wey make am go carry a house document, land document, can't even put for your care, Judy Austin? God disappoint you, sha. All your expectations was cut short. It's like Queen May Edochie foreseen what will happen. I dey talk am every day. God wey give Queen May Edochie wisdom, God, that God, I need you. I need you more like never before. Because they say na sense they take dey kill rat when they inside bottle, make you not kill bottle, kill rat. Na sense na Queen May Edochie use. Sense, wisdom, na God give Queen May. When if he make Queen May Edochie say no, it can't happen. You're surprised. Till today, still be like shock to you. Say, how did Queen May Edochie ever make this decision? Because if be too go believe, say Queen May not get where she dey go. Yul Edochie too go be believe, say Queen May not get where her own say. Na him be the alpha and omega. You're talking na do. If I say yes, she say yes. If I say no, she say no. How come she's not making a decision? Yul took Queen May simplicity, her calmness for stupidity. He thought Queen May was stupid. He no know say na because dis woman love am. Dis woman just want everything to be okay. Na woman wey really wan build her home, wan build her marriage. Na woman wey dey support her husband, but Yul took it as, like her enemy was stupid. Today now, see how Yul and Judy dey roam about. They dey roam about, no peace again. Judy, the earlier you know this, the better for you. That Queen May Edochie is not your mate. The document you are flaunting or you said you have access to that is in your possession is not Queen May's document. And that document cannot even do or undo what has been done. Hey God, I don't know I want to talk again. Oh. I don't talk my own. Judy, stay away from Queen May. Stay away. That woman don't avoid you many times. She don't avoid you. If you know what is good for you, stay away from her. You get why? This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to put up the post notification bell. Omo, use Judy sha. Carry fake document put for Judy hand. Judy mind now. She just get Queen May Edochie land document. Omo, person dey mumu. May God not let us born mumu for life. Oh.